Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here, and in this video we are going to begin the Free Code Camp Masterclass, and we're going to start with this responsive web design certification. This is a new series I want to do. I want to go through all of these, right? Or at least up to the APIs and microservices. So we're going to start with responsive web design certification, and this masterclass is going to be on basic HTML and HTML5. We're going to break each video up into 5 lessons. So we'll go to uncommon HTML. So again, if you understand my teaching style, you'll sort of understand that I'm not going to read all of this to you, but instead we're just going to look at the prompt, follow it, and I'm going to explain it to you. So it says basic HTML and HTML5. Say hello to HTML elements. To pass the first test on this challenge, change your H1 element to say hello world. So let's see, does this have an element on it? No, it doesn't. Okay, so I'm going to create a H1 tag. I'm going to close it, right? And I'm just going to say hello world, right? I'm going to click run the test. We see that it's reflected here in real time. And we change this to hello world. This is going to re-render. And cool. Awesome. So let's go ahead and run our test. Looks good. Now we're on to the second one. And headline with the H2 element. So add an H2 tag that says cat photo app to create a second HTML element below your hello world H1 element. So we'll just create the H2. And we're just going to say cat photo app H2. And if you can sort of see, just again, this is more about HTML and CSS. We'll sort of look at this, right? Here's our H1. And we can sort of see these are the styles that a H1 is. We can get rid of that, right? This is coming from somewhere from a style tag. But we can sort of see this is what an H1 is by the user agent, by the browser in this case. These are the characteristics that determine it. And here, if we look at H2, we can sort of see the same things, right? So the 1.5 M, it's got the font weight bold, whereas this is 2 EM, right? And we'll learn about these different measures of font size. But anyways, let's go ahead and run that. Cat photo up. Cool. Let's go on to the next one. Now we want to create a paragraph tag, right? Right. So let's go ahead and do that. And we can sort of see what a paragraph tag is. And we'll just say, I'm a P tag. All right, sorry, we need that. And there you go. And same sort of thing. You can inspect that if you want and see its characteristics. And is it good? Oh, sorry. I was like completely reading that incorrectly. Hello, paragraph. Let's click and run this. Awesome. Next one. Fill in the blank with a placeholder text. So replace the text inside your P element with the first few words of this kitty ipsum text. So we'll just grab this. Change this out here. And we will run this. And good to go. And last one for this, number 5. Uncomment your H1, H2, and P elements. So we can sort of see this is a multi-line comment where we have the less than symbol, exclamation point, and then 2 dashed lines, right? Then we close it out. So what do we want to do? We want to comment out these, right? So we could grab all these, and if you do command and then right where the question mark is, where the / is on your keyboard at the same time, we can go ahead and comment those out, right? Or comment those back in, sorry. I can say some text. Let me see, is it picking up? Right, and you can do the same thing. We can keep toggling this back on and off. Cool. Let's run that. Right, let's just delete that real quick. And let's run this. Cool, guys. All right, guys. See you guys in the next video. Take care.